can't believe it, ladies. It's been exactly 1 year today since I started my YouTube channel. When I uploaded my first video, it was a totally spontaneous decision. Girls, I just really need to speak up about this topic because I feel like in today's society, it's just getting more and more taboo for when a man provides for the women. Because I had plans of opening a YouTube channel. So, this YouTube channel that you might have heard me speak about in the past, it is coming now in September, and now I just uploaded my first video, which is the video I uploaded on Instagram a few days ago, just to kind of practice a little bit, and yeah, you can... And believe it or not, I was practicing for 1 whole year before I uploaded my first YouTube video because I was so uncomfortable talking in front of camera. How to look expensive when you are on a budget? Is it actually possible to look rich without being rich? The answer is yes. Can you believe it? 1 whole year before I even started my channel? Well, yep, that's my story, and it's been one incredible journey since. And I also cannot believe that it's been only 1 year, and here I am with all of these amount of followers. I would never have guessed that I would reach 250,000 subscribers on my YouTube channel in my first year. I am truly, truly grateful for all of this, and my gratitude really goes out to all of you who are supporting my channel and who are following my journey, who are subscribed, who are there, and you are my best supporters. Thanks to you, thanks to all of your comments, thanks to all of your shares, thanks to all of you who recommend me to other people. Thanks to you, I was able to grow this channel. Well, with a little bit of help of PR and haters. Thanks to those 2 sources of support as well.
Setting out to have their own sort of life.
Oh, definitely they do. A lot of wealthy men want ambitious and driven women.
About women being independent, it's about equality. Women are still fighting for equal pay, equal rights.
People tend to immediately jump to conclusions that that's exactly what I teach. That is not true.
Let us know what you think. I don't know, I'm torn, as I said.
Well, you're just an average Joe, aren't you?
You'd be surprised actually how much negativity can actually benefit you. People always assume that it's a negative thing, that you are experiencing bad publicity, haters, bad critics, and so on, but it's actually the opposite. That's how you make yourself grow, that's how you stay relevant, and that's how you get success. But this video is really just to kind of acknowledge the journey, kind of the first videos that I did and how my videos are today. There is a big transformation happening. Now my channel is in the niche of luxury lifestyle and high society. I am pretty much an expert by now on high society, on personal development, and of course on transformation. I know transformation extremely well because I did this journey myself from the age of 19 up until today, where I am now. But like I always say, transformation never stops. So even though I have accomplished quite a lot of my luxury lifestyle goals by now, but doesn't mean that I stop growing and I stop investing in myself. Not at all. And I want you to be led by that example. In 2012, I was very bored. I had just moved to London. So that's where I started my path in what it is that I do today. I created a blog called Jesset Babe. It still exists. You can go and have a look. It's jessetbabe.com. And that blog was just a little pastime activity of mine. I used to just share my experience on the blog and repost beautiful pictures I found on Instagram. And then the blog grew into this amazing community where actually I still have a lot of those original followers with me today. If you are one and you're also watching my YouTube channel, please leave me a comment below because I would really, really love to hear from you. And for me, it just feels so special that you're still here with me after so many years. But of course, a lot of things has happened and a lot of things has evolved since then. Instead of just running a blog, my blog grew into a massive international community. And I decided to create School of Affluence because there are so many women who wanted to learn from me, wanted to learn from my experience, and I decided why not. I created the program because I knew it's going to help a lot of women with their transformation. And once I created my school, then the publicity followed, and then the YouTube channel really grew rapidly, and here I am today. I have a lot of projects in my pipeline. If you are here with me and you are a supporter and you want to be part of that journey, you make sure you are subscribed and make sure you follow me on all my channels like Facebook and Instagram especially. I am very active in my my Instagram stories. So that's kind of where the behind the scenes action happens. That's where you get to know me on a more personal level. And of course, a little bit of pep talk and motivation in between. But with this video, I just really want to share one last thing, and that is that all the incredible support that I get from you ladies, it is incredible. I have never experienced so much love and so much positivity ever in such high amount. It's incredible, ladies, when I look at it, how many of you are so kind, are so unselfish, and you just want to wish another person that you never met in your life all the best, and you send me love and you send me support, and you defend me in situations when sometimes people are not nice. And I must really say, I get so inspired by that love. I get so motivated. I get so energized knowing that such amazing people exist. And you know what I want to say with that? Those amazing people are really going to attract amazing things into their lives. As you might know, I am very much into law of attraction, and I have been practicing this for years. But I really believe that what you send out to universe is exactly what you will get in return. So those ladies who have been so supportive and so kind and sending out so much positive, loving energy, not only to me, but to people in their lives, to other influencers, to strangers, to people they know or not know, it doesn't matter. When you do that, universe will reward you, and you will get even bigger reward. It really magnifies, and it comes back to you probably 10 times more than the energy you had originally sent out. So having said that, I really want to wish all of you the best, and I really want you to have my best wishes, my blessing, and the positivity that I really want to send all of you so that you achieve exactly what you want in your life. Ladies, that is the whole purpose of School of Affluence, of my channel, is that you can make your dreams come true regardless of your goals. Thank you so much for being with me on this journey, and I really love you all.